Let's go, car fly. What's up, car flock? It's been a long time. It's been over a month. I've been getting myself together. I'm returning to the ring basically in 2 months. So I've been training hard, just kind of taking a break from social media, just in general with everything. But now I'm refreshed. I really needed this refreshment. It's been a long time coming actually with everything I do. As far as today goes, every single video that you guys watch, I'm always complaining about my garage. Today is the day I clean this thing up, organize it a little bit, make it a lot better. But I'm gonna get y'all a cold start. I know it's been a while. Now I'm gonna have to hear this in the comments. Oh, car sounds great, but your car is dirty, bro. You need to wash your car, bro. Shut up. This is the moment I'm looking down on the garage floor. I noticed that oil is leaking from my car. So I thought like any normal man would, what does it taste like? That didn't sound right. Definitely oil. First things first, I don't eat oil. It was just that one time. I actually gotta deal with all this freaking trash. Like, I don't want to do this no more. This right here is frustration at its finest. I let everything pack up. I always tell myself I'm gonna clean it up and never do. I can only be mad at myself with this one. So I actually bought these for my kids' bikes. As y'all see, I don't have no room. I still got the fenders from my parents' G6 that I redid. This thing is just cluttered. And then oil. Game plan is to put them over here. I'm 33, and this is the part that people talk about. When you become an adult and you just stand with your hand on your hips for no reason. I'm putting up a bike rack. So game plan is this thing is gonna be on a wall. I'm thinking maybe here. Look at that. Yeah. See that right away. The wire, watch the cord. Yep, here we go again, Mr. Hand on Hip guy. That's me. That's me. This is not on me. This is my wife's doing. She wanted me to put all her crap in the garage. Hello, honey, I work on my car here. Do I put everything in the kitchen? No. Some days I just want to run away. This is the part where I'm actually super proud of, because when your cabinet look like AutoZone, that means you probably spend too much time AutoZone. I am done. More stuff coming. This whole entire floor is going to be completely different. I'm going to repaint the floor, re-epoxy the floor correctly this time. Right now, I'm about to go wash the G8 up because it's such a glorious day. And of course, if y'all want to get your hands on some 2.0 merchandise, please message me below. I will have some more coming. I want to give a shout out to Lonnie for the gear. I'm going to put his tag at the bottom, so he made the shirt for me. So hit me up. How's that, y'all? I'm out. Peace.